Coming to impression materials, the impression materials are classified based on setting reaction, elasticity, and uses in dentistry. According to the setting reaction, we have reversible and irreversible impression materials. According to elasticity, they are elastic and rigid. According to uses in dentistry, they are classified as dentulous and edentulous. Coming to the setting reaction, the irreversible impression materials include alginate, elastomers, zinc oxide eugenol, and impression plaster, whereas the reversible impression materials, that is basically they set because of the temperature change. They include agar and impression compound. According to elasticity, we have elastic and inelastic. Elastic impression materials include alginate, agar, elastomers, whereas the inelastic impression materials include impression plaster, impression compound, and zinc oxide eugenol. And based on the uses, for the dentulous mouth, we have impression materials like alginate, agar, and elastomers, whereas for the dentulous mouth, impression compound, impression plaster, zinc oxide eugenol, and impression waxes can be used. Now we'll see the manipulation of alginate, that is irreversible hydrocolloid. There are basically two types of alginate.
The manipulation of alginate.
That is type 1 fast set and type 2 normal set. Type 1 fast set has a setting time of 1.5 to 2 minutes, whereas a working time of 1.25 minutes. Whereas type 2 normal set has a working time of 2 minutes and setting time of 3 to 4.5 minutes. Coming to the water powder ratio, the water powder ratio for alginate is 40 ml of water and 15 gram of powder. Firstly, we'll be taking 15 gram of powder. Then we'll be adding 40 ml of water in it. We'll be using the figure of 8 motion for the manipulation of alginate. We mix the material till a thin homogeneous mix is obtained. The alginate we have in the department is chrome alginate, that basically shows change in color at the end of mixing and at the end of setting. Once the uniform mix is obtained, we load the impression tray. Now, let us see what is color changing alginate, that is chrome alginate. The color changing alginate has pigments, that is phenolphthalein, naphthalene, or chrysolite added to it, which basically indicates the pH and shows changes in color. That is, the color changes are seen at the end of mixing and at the end of setting. Coming to dust-free alginate. Dust-free alginate basically contains polyethylene, polypropylene glycol to reduce the dust produced while mixing of the alginate. The example of it is gelatrate. Thank you.